Hello, my name is Javier de Hoyos. I'm from San Andrés de Sotaventa, Córdoba. I am 10 years old. I am studying agroforestry engineering. Today I am going to tell about the typical dish of my region moche de queso. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of yam, 750 grams of our salty shells, 80 milliliters of serum, 2 fractions of long onion, orange onions pounds bit adds onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 60 milliliters of oil, 1 pinch of salt, of onion, pinch of pepper. Preparation: add pots with plenty of water. Cook the yams well. Add cut in spices with a long onion. Bake for 15 minutes separately. In pans with oil, fry the finely chopped onion and the macerated garlic until soft seasons with the salt and pepper. Add the sausage to the shrimps and cook for until 30 minutes. Turn and the cheese cut into cubes. Cook until it is as light, soft, and finally receive the flavor with a few drops of lemon. The coastal way and, if necessary, a piece of salt. Then serve the mote de queso and enjoy the recipe accompanied with a liquid with rice. Ian invites you to visit our Caribbean region to try its delicious dish.